to percentages, this is my most important question. Let's say, for example, if I'm asked to find out 30% of 40, how am I supposed to do it? Is it 30 by 40 into 100, or is it 30 by 100 into 40, or is it 40 by 30 into 100? How am I supposed to do this case? Is it first one, second one, or the third one? Very good, Tanuj. Excellent. Is it the first one? Guys, no, listen carefully. Is it the first one, guys? No, 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 it's not the first one. It is not the first one. It is not the last one. It is actually the second one. Please don't get confused here. So that is the reason why you're supposed to be very, very clear with what this percentage means. Okay. What does the word cent represent? The word cent, it represents what? It corresponds to what? Have you guys heard of any word that starts with cent?
10.
No, it does. It doesn't mean 10. Cent actually means 100. Centum, century. Correct. So cent actually means 100. And when do we use the word per? For example, kilometer per hour. So for division, we use percent. So when I say 30% of 40, I mean 30% of 40. Is that clear, people? So my answer is, what is 30% of 40? My answer is 12. Very good. Yes. Are you clear with this one? But the same question with the same data, you can ask questions in different other ways. Say, for example, if I ask you guys the question, 30 is what percentage of 40? 30 is what percentage of 40? Which means out of 40, 30 is what percentage? Yeah, so 3 by 4, which would be 75%. So this is different. But here the question is, what is 30% of 40? Please don't get confused with this one and this one. Okay, done. And always remember one thing, guys. When it comes to any of your aptitude topics, there are actually lots and lots of aptitude topics. Okay, for example, you have got numbers, you have got time and work, time speed distance, profit and loss, percentages, permutation combination, probability, logarithms, ratio proportions, geometry, mensuration. See, there are lots and lots of topics. But out of all these topics, there are three such topics which I would call it as basics. One is your numbers. Second is your ratios. And the third and the most important of all is your percentages. And why is percentage this important? Why am I telling you that percentage is this important? Listen carefully. See, this percentage, it is also asked in your profit loss discount. So the topic can be profit loss discount, but the concept that you're using it will be percentages more often than not. And even when it comes to your data interpretation, your DI based questions, okay, almost all of the questions are based on percentages. Okay, just because it is a different topic doesn't mean we don't use percentages. There are lots and lots of other topics where percentages stands to be one of the most important concepts that are actually required to solve the question. Okay, so you should be very careful, or else at least you should have a brief idea as to what percentages are and how to deal with percentages questions. Okay, so that's very important. And now, getting back, when it comes to percentages, what are the subtopics that we are going to see today? We'll start with methods to find percentages, and then percentage increase and decrease, and then we'll move on to successive increase or decrease. Clear? Now, looking at methods to find percentages, here's my first question. Can you just tell me what is 30% of 40? Tell me the answer. What is 30% of 40, guys? Very good, guys. Super, Deepti, Shyam, and Tanuj. Yes, guys. The answer is definitely 12 because 30 by 100 into 40 is what you're supposed to do. Two zeros will get cancelled, and then my answer would be 12. So from now on, if I ask you guys a question, and if there are two zeros in the question, you can straight away cancel out those zeros and then multiply the rest. Say, for example, if my question is, what is 60% of 70? Then what's my answer? You guys can straight away say that as what? What is 60% of 70? What did I tell you? Cancel out the zeros and multiply the rest. Very good. Harivardhini, Dhanush, and Shyam. Excellent, guys. So cancel out those two zeros and multiply the rest. 7 6 are 42. Now let's say, for example, if I ask you guys a question, what is 30% of 200? What is the answer, guys? What is 30% of 200? Tell me. Is it 6 or 60? Very good. Harivardhani, Shyam, and Dhanush. Excellent, guys. And Tanuj. Very good. Super. So what did I tell you? You are supposed to cancel out those just two zeros. So cancel any two zeros and multiply the rest. 30 into 2, 60. Okay. You should be very careful here. Find out. But this works out only if you have zeros in the given question. But if it is not given, obviously you cannot find out. Okay. So cancelling out two zeros is the first trick that we have learned today. And always remember, there is one more thing that I want you guys to remember. Say, for example, what is 40% of 50? Tell me what is 40% of 50, guys? What is 40% of 50? Very good. Superb. Yes, it is 20. And can you guys tell me what is 50% of 40? What is 50% of 40? Very good. Yes. That's 20 again. So always remember, a percentage of B will always be equal to B percentage of A. A percentage of B will always be equal to B percentage of A. Clear? Excellent then. Now moving on. Okay, you guys obviously know the answer for this one. What is 40% of 30? You know it is 12. Correct? Because we can cancel out two zeros and then multiply the rest, you'll get 12. Okay. Now here's the next question. Look at the question very carefully. What is the question? 20 is what percentage of 80? 20 is what percentage of 80? They are not asking us to find out 20% of 80. My question is 20 is what percentage of 80? How to solve this question, guys? Very good, Tanuj, Harivardhani, super guys. So guys, listen here. You've got 20. So out of 80, how much percentage is this one? That's the question. Of 80, which means divided by 80. So out of 80, 20 represents what percentage? So can I say this 1/4, 25? So my answer is 25 percentage. Excellent, guys. Super then. Okay, moving on. We are going to look at methods to find out percentages. For example, the first thing that I want you guys to understand is break and work. What is this break and work? Let's say, for example, you're asked to find out 15% of 90. So what is the actual way of doing it? 15 divided by 100 into 90. So this involves a lot of calculation. So what I want you guys to do is write this 15 percentage, or let's break this 15 percentage into 10 percentage and 5 percentage of 90. Okay, first tell me, what is 10 percentage of 90, guys? What is 10 percentage of 90? Come on, fast. Very good, Harivardhani. Superb. Yes, 10 percentage of 90 is 9. If 10 percentage is 9, what is 5 percentage then? What is 5 percentage then? 4.5. Very good. Just add these two. My answer is 13.5. That's my answer. Clear, everyone? So even if you solve it this way, you'll get the same answer. 0, 0, 5 table, 3, 2. Okay, and then 9 threes are 27, 27 by 2. So my answer is 13.5. Okay, so this has less calculation, provided you should be good with logic. You should know how to split this. So 15 can be split as 10 and 5. So finding out 10 percentage is easy. Once 10 percentage is found, 5 percentage is a lot easier because half of it. Okay, done. Now here's my next question. What is 35 percentage of 40? So what is the actual way of doing it? 35 divided by 100 into 40. But instead of doing it, I want you guys to do it this way. For example, find out 30 percentage and find out 5 percentage and then do it. Okay, first, can you guys tell me what is 10 percentage of 40? First, answer this question. What is 10 percentage of 40? Very good. Yes, it is 4. Now tell me, what is 30 percentage of 40? What is 30 percentage of 40? Very good, guys. Superb. Yes, all of you. 30 percentage is 12. And now, you know, 10 percentage is 4. Tell me what is 5 percentage? Very good. 2. So put together 12 plus 2. So my answer is 14. Even if you do it this way, you'll get the same answer. For example, 1, 5 table, 2, 5 table, 7. Okay, and then 2, 7 twos are 14. And you might say, sir, I think this method is a lot simpler than this one, sir. Sometimes, yes. But listen carefully. What about this question? 5.55 percentage of 60. Okay, listen. Actual way of solving it is 5.55 divided by 100 into 60. Definitely this looks complicated, right? But if you solve it this way, by breaking it, this becomes 5 percentage plus 0.5 percentage plus 0.05 percentage of 60. And to solve this, first find out 10 percentage of 60. What is 10 percentage of 60, guys? 10 percentage of 60. How much is it? Tell me. Very good. Super, Harivardhani. Yes. 10 percentage of 60 is 6. If that is the case, what is 5 percentage, guys? What is 5 percentage? 10 percentage is 6. What is 5%? Very good, Shyam, Harivardhini. Okay, so this would be 3. What is 0.5% of 60? See, 5% is 3. What is 0.5%? Very good, superb. It would be 0.3. Similarly, 0.05% would be 0.03. Clear? Now add these three values. So my answer would be 3.33. The answer is 3.33. Are you guys clear now? Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Yes. First, if you guys are clear, everyone. Yes. Super. Excellent then. Now, the next concept that we are going to look at is percentage as fractions. And always remember one thing, percentages have a special relationship with fractions. For example, 50% of 60. Can you just tell me what is 50% of 60? Okay, one second. Tanuj has a doubt. Sir, why split 0.55 percentage? Do we know to find out 0.55 percentage straight away? Yes, you can split this as 5% plus 0.55 percentage, but we don't know any method to find out 0.55 percentage straight away. Is that clear, Tanuj? Okay, very good then. Getting back to this one. So 15% of 60, yes, it's a simple question, 30. My next question is, what is 50% of 84? What is 50% of 84? Very good, Alamin. Very good news. It is 42. Now my next question is, what is 50% of 36? Very good. Yes, it is 18. Now, if you guys have noticed one thing, if I ask you 50% of a number, it is one of the most simplest things because all you have to do is find out the half of that number. That's your answer. Correct? Because 50% corresponds to half. So half of this number is 18. So just like how 50% corresponds to half, there are certain other percentages with their corresponding fractions. Okay, so that is what we are supposed to remember. These are the percentages and their corresponding fractions. So 50% means you're supposed to divide the number by 2. That's all. If I ask you 33.33% of a number, divide the number by 3. If I ask you 25% of a number, divide the number by 4. If I ask you 20% of a number, divide that particular number by 5. Okay, if I ask you 16.66% of a number, divide the number by 6. 14.28% divided by 7, 12.58, 11.11, 9, 10, 10, 9.09, 11, 8.33 by 12, and 7.69 divided by 13. Okay. Now listen carefully. You're definitely supposed to remember all these values. And I'll just give you guys a few tricks here. For example, listen carefully. What is half of half? 1/4. Half of 50, 25. Okay. What is half of 1 by 4? 1 by 8. What is half of 25? 12.5. Clear? So that's the relation. So that is one way of remembering them. And one more thing is, always remember, 1 by 9 will be in terms of 11, 11.11, and 1 by 11 will be in terms of 9. That's one more way of remembering it, 9.09. And now, if you look at this one, let's say, so for example, if you look at 1 by 3, you should remember it is 33.33 percentage. What is half of 1 by 3? 1 by 6. What is half of this one? 16.66 percentage. Clear? Done. Same way, what is half of 1 by 6? 1 by 12. What is half of 8.3? I mean, what is half of 16.66? 8.33 percentage. Clear, guys? These are the ways you are supposed to remember these values. I'll give you guys a minute. Please do make sure you guys note down all these percentages and their corresponding fractions. These are very important. Not just for the questions based on percentages. There are certain other concepts also. For example, your concepts like your profit loss discount, your data interpretation, the percentages, and especially fractions are very, very, very important. Okay, once you guys are done copying, drop a text in the chat box. Come on fast. Very good, super. Now I'm going to ask you guys a few questions from this concept. For example, if my question is, what is 16.66 percentage of 72? What's my answer then? What is 16.66 percentage of 72? Very good, superb, Harivardhini. Listen carefully, guys. See,
So
16.66. Do we see? Yes.
can you explain this table again, sir? I didn't get this one. That 1 by 9 and 1 by 11 stuff.
Okay. See, there is nothing much to explain. I want you guys to remember these values. That's what I told you. See, 1 by 9 into 100 it actually is 11.11. If you divide 1 by 9 into 100, what is the value that you get? 11.11. Okay, so what is 1 by 2 into 100? 50 percentage. Correct. If you cancel it out, you get 50 percentage. So that is what I want you guys to remember. These are important percentage values and their corresponding fractions you are supposed to remember. For example, if I ask you to find out 25 percentage of 400, you should remember, 25 percentage corresponds to 1/4. Correct? So find out 1/4 of the number and that's your answer. So my answer is 100. Clear? So let's say, for example, let's get back to the question that we were discussing. 16.66 percentage of 72. Have you seen 16.66 percentage somewhere? Yes. 16.66 percentage represents 1 by 6 fraction. So take this number and divide it by 6. What is the answer that you get? 12 is the answer. Clear, people? Clear, buddy, now?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Now, similarly, I want you guys to find out the answer for 12.5 percentage of 88. What is the answer? Very good. Harivardhini, Harita, super guys. Because very good. Deepti. So 12.5 percentage represents 1 by 8. So all you're supposed to do is divide this value by 8. You'll get 11. Yep. Done. Now here's my next question. Let's see if you're able to solve this. What is 11.11 percentage of 99? What is 11.11 percentage of 99? Very good. Superb. Yes. Correct, guys. It will definitely be 11 because if it is 11.11 percentage, what are you supposed to do? Divide the number by 9. So if you divide this number by 9, I'll have 11. Okay. Now that's fine. Let's see who's able to get the answer for this question. My question is, what is 45.45 percentage of 198? And if you're wondering, so if I ask you this question, you will definitely start wondering, sir, 45.45, you did not give me that percentage at all. How can I do it? See, in most cases, you will not get direct percentages. Okay, so you should relate one to the other. For example, 14.45, can I write that as 5 into 9.09? Correct? Super. So what is 9.09 percentage of 198? First find out 9.09 percentage of 198. How do I do it? Into 1 by 11. Because 9.09 percentage means by 11. If I divide it by 11, what do I get? 18. So 9.09 percentage is 18. What will be 45.45 percentage, guys? Very good, Harivardhini. Yes. Into 5. Okay, super. So first divided by 11 and then multiplied by 5. So what is 18 into 5, guys? Very good, superb. Guys, you're not supposed to waste a lot of time when you're asked to multiply any number by 5. Listen, what did I tell you? 18 into 5, right? When you're asked to multiply any number with 5, convert that 5 as 10 by 2, according to you. So 9 tens are 90. You're supposed to do this in your own mind. Okay. So that's how you're supposed to, that's how we can calculate it a bit faster. For example, 24 into 5. So instead of 5, write by 10 by 2. So 12 and then 120. Okay. Very good. Fine then. Now let's try to solve a few questions where we can use these tricks, percentages, logics, and all that. Okay, we'll start with what is 25 percentage of 72? What is 25 percentage of 72? Very good, Alami. Superb. Very good, guys. Superb. So 25 percentage means 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 of 72. So my answer is 18. Guys, always remember. So what did I tell you? You should remember all these percentages and their corresponding fractions. See, just like what happened right now. So you are also supposed to remember the multiples of 9.09. What are the multiples of 9.09? If it is 9.09, just divide that number by 11, you'll get it. If it is 18.18, divided by 11 and then multiplied by 2. If it is 27.27 percentage, divide that particular number by 11 and multiply it by 3. It goes on like this. So you know the 9 multiples, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81 and 90. So it goes on like this. Correct. So you should remember all the multiples of these numbers. For example, what are the multiples of 11.11, 11.11, 22.22, 33.33, 44.44, goes on like this. What are the multiples of 12.5? 12.5, 25, 37.5, 50, 62.5, 75, 87.5, 100, goes on like this. Now, if you look at 1 by 7's multiples, this is where it gets a bit tricky. So, others have a pattern, but 7 being a prime number, it has a different pattern which you're supposed to remember. For example, listen carefully. Listen, when are you supposed to divide the number by 7? Go with 14.28, which is the smallest number here, 142857. You should remember this 142857. There is no other go. You're supposed to remember this 142857. Okay, so once that is done, out of all these, which is the smallest number, guys? 1. So start from 1 and go clockwise. 14.2857 or else 28 percentage. You can just write 14.28 percentage means divide the number by 7. When am I supposed to divide the number by 7 and then multiply it by 2? Which is the second smallest number here? 2. So start from 2, go clockwise, always go clockwise. So 28.57. So 28.57 percentage. Okay, so 3 by 7. When will I have 3 by 7? Which is the third smallest number here? 4. So 3 by 7 corresponds to 42.85 percentage. Similarly, 4 by 7 corresponds to 57.14 percentage. Okay, 5 by 7 corresponds to 71.42 percentage. 6 by 7 corresponds to 85.71 percentage. So if someone asks you to find out 85.71 percentage of 77, then what's the answer, guys? What's 85.71 percentage of 77? Come on, guys, tell me. What is 85.71 percentage of 77? Very good, Harivardhani. Super. So listen here, guys. 85.71 percentage is here, and its corresponding fraction is 6 by 7, which means take the number 77 multiplied by 6 divided by 7. So 11, 11 into 6, 66 is your answer. Clear, everyone? So you should remember all these values. Excellent. Okay. We have just seen. What am I supposed to do when I have 85.71 percentage? 6 by 7. So into 6 divided by 7. Come on, guys. Find out the answer for this one. Very good, super guys. Yes, super guys. The answer is 7404. Done. Now here's my next question. What is 77% of 64? So actually speaking, how am I supposed to do it? So actual method is 77 divided by 100 into 64. This seems like a lengthy process. So what I'm going to do is, let's see if we can find out any other ways to do it. For example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this 77% as 50% plus 25%, because now itself I have got 75 plus 2% of 64. Okay. I will start with 50% of 64. Can you guys tell me what is 50% of 64? Come on, guys. What is 50% of 64? Yes. So it is 32. What is 25% of 64? Very good. It is 16, because 1/4. 16 fours is 64. Yes. What is 2%? So how do we find out 2%? First find out 1%. 1% of 64 is 0.64. So what will be 2% then? 1% means divided by 100. You will get 1%. So what will be 2%? Very good, Alamin. You will get 1.28. So add them, you got the answer. 32 plus 16, 48. Plus 1, 49. So my answer is 49.28. I guess clear with this question, everyone? Very good. Fine then. We move on to the next question now. Okay, guys. Here's our next question. They're asking us to find out 62.5% of 232. Can I find this out as 50% plus 12.5% of 232? Yes, I can definitely do that. Okay, I want you guys to do it and tell me what is the answer that you get here. Very good. Super, Balamin and Harita. Excellent, guys. Yes, very good, Harivardhani. Super. So we'll start with 50%. What is 50% of this one? Which is half of 232. You get 116 plus 12.5%. What is 12.5%? It is 1/8 of this one. So it will be 29. So what is 116 plus 29? You get 145. This one is easier, right? Excellent. Superb then. Now we'll move on to the next question. Okay, I want you guys to find this out on your own. Do it any way you want and find out the answer for 84% of 150. Very good, superb. Harivardhani, Nitya Kalyani, awesome guys. Very good, Danush. Super. So guys, listen here. What is the easiest way of solving this question? So we know that A percentage of B is equal to B percentage of A, right? A percentage of B is equal to B percentage of A. So we have seen that. So can I find out 150 percentage of 84? I'll get the same answer, right? 150 percentage of 84 will also give me the same answer. Correct. Now 150 percentage can be written as 100 plus 50 percentage of 84. What is 100 percentage of 84? It's 84 as it is. What is 50 percentage? Half of it, so 42. So total answer is 126. Clear everyone? Excellent then. Super. Okay, guys. So moving on to the next questions now. Yes. Yes, it's 126, guys. Okay, now here's your next question. I want you guys to tell me the answer for this one fast. Very good. Simple. Awesome, guys. Because what's my question? There are 200 biscuits, out of which 15 have gone bad. So what is 15 percentage of 200? So my answer is 30 biscuits. Okay. Here's my next question, guys. I'll give you guys a minute. Come on, try this question and tell me fast. Please think carefully. Whose percentage is better and how much? Very good, Alamin, Sham, and Harivardhani. Super, guys. Others check your answers. Okay. So, guys, listen here. First of all, there are two people. Who are they? First guy is Rahul. So what happens is Rahul, out of 400 marks, he scores 344 marks. So what's his percentage? We'll have 86 percentage. But there is the next guy. What's his name? Pantu. So what this guy does is, out of 600 marks, he scores 582. So into 100 will give me the percentage. What's my answer here? I get 97 percentage. So out of these two percentages, 86 and 97 percentage, which one is better? So obviously getting 97 percentage is better. And who gets it? Bantu gets it. So my answer is Bantu gets a better percentage, and that is 97 percentage. Very good. Super, guys. Excellent. Then we'll move on to the next question now fast. Okay. It's a simple question. Come on, make it fast. Very good, Tanuj and Harivardhani. Super, guys. Excellent. So, guys, listen here. When it comes to this question, there are 80 students and 10% failed. Then how many are remaining? That's my question. Which means if I find out 10%, those who failed, what's 10% of 80? 8. Subtract 8 from 80, remaining will be 72. So 70 students passed. Okay. So my answer is 72. That's fine. But remember, in cases like these, so from 80, there is a 10% decrease, which means into, you can directly say into 100 minus 10 divided by 100, because 10% decrease, which means 80 into 90 by 100. So 9 8 is 72. So next time, if you see questions like these, you should straight away say, so 10% reduction, so directly the number into 90 by 100. If it is 20% reduction, 80 into 100 minus 20, 100 minus 20 by 100. So it will be 80 into 80 by 100. So my answer would have been 64. What if there is a 10% increase? 10% increase. What will I do then? Into 100 plus 10 by 100. So into 110 by 100. So my answer would have been 88. Clear, everyone? I guess clear with this concept. If 10% increase, what am I supposed to do? 20% increase, what am I supposed to do? Clear? Done. Excellent, super then. Okay, here's my next question. Vimal gets 92% marks in the examination. If there are 230 marks, find the maximum marks. He got 230 marks out of the total marks, and which corresponded that to 92%. If that is the case, what is the total marks in that particular examination? That's my question. Super, very good, super. Yes. Awesome, guys. Nitya Kalyani, Harivardhani, and Sham, superb. So, guys, listen here. This guy, Vimal, he scored 230 marks out of the total marks, and that gave me 92%. So, how do I find out x? So, x is equal to 230 into 100 divided by 92. So, if I cancel it out, what do I get? If I cancel it in terms of 23 table, so 10 times, 4 times. So I'll have 25. So 25 into 10. So my answer is 250. So the total marks was 250. And out of that, he got 230 marks. So that's why it is 92%. Super. Now moving on to your next question. Here's your next question, guys. express 1 hour 30 minutes, okay, 1 hour 36 minutes as a percentage out of 2 hours 40 minutes. So out of 2 hours 40 minutes, 1 hour 36 minutes is what percentage? That's the question. Super, very good, Harivardhani and Alamin. Awesome, guys. Excellent. What are they asking us to find out? So 1 hour 36 minutes out of 2 hours 40 minutes into 100. So this is my actual question. So obviously I cannot find it out straight away. So I'm converting everything in terms of minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 2 hours is equal to 120 minutes. So 60 plus 36, I'll have 96 divided by 120 plus 40, I'll have 160 into 100. So 16, 6 and 96. So my answer is 60 percentage. Answer is option C. Excellent. Here's the next question. What percentage of 90 kg is 8.1? Out of 90, 8.1 kg is how much percentage? Very good, guys. Harivardhani, Shyam, Tanuj, and Shyam, Kamala Anand, and Diti. Awesome. What's my question here? So, out of 90 kg, 8.1 kg is how much percentage? Correct? 0, 0 gone. 8.1 into 10, so it's 81 by 9. My answer is 9 percentage. Yes, 9 percentage. Clear? Excellent. Okay, guys. Now we are getting to the next concept, which we call it as percentage increase or percentage decrease. Now, in terms of percentage increase and decrease, always remember there is a simple formula, guys. Percentage change, be it increase or decrease. Percentage change is equal to actual change. Actual change divided by initial value into 100. Actual change divided by initial value into 100. Okay, so please don't note this down. Percentage change is equal to actual change is equal divided by initial value into 100. The change could be either increase or decrease. The formula remains the same. If the form, okay, if there is an increase concept, percentage increase is equal to actual increase divided by initial value into 100. If the question is percentage decrease, actual decrease divided by initial value into 100. That's all. Okay, let's solve a few questions so that you'll understand it clearly. If a price of notebook was 20 in 2010, okay, so listen carefully. In 2010, the cost of the notebook was rupees 20. Whereas in 2011, what happened was the cost of the book got increased to rupees 25. So obviously there is an increase. They're asking us to find out percentage increase. So what did I tell you? Percentage increase is equal to actual increase. Actual increase divided by initial value into 100. Okay, can you guys tell me what is the actual increase here? How much rupees has been increased? How much rupees has been increased? What is the actual increase? Five. Yes. 5 rupees got increased from initial value. Initially, what was the value from which the value increased? Initially, it was 20. Now, after increasing, it became 25. So, initial value was 20 into 100. So, 5. The answer is 25%. Clear with this question, everyone? This is how you're supposed to find out percentage increase. Clear? Excellent. Superb then. Okay, guys. Now listen here. Now let's say, for example, I'll give you a different data. In 2010, it was rupees 25, and in 2011, it was rupees 20. Okay. Can you guys find out what is the percentage decrease here? Percentage decrease. What is the percentage decrease, guys? I'll give you guys a minute. Come on, think carefully and find out fast. Very good, super, alarming, excellent. And very good, Nitya Kalyani. Very good, guys, correct. Super. Because even in this case, the formula doesn't change. The formula remains the same. Now, what is the actual decrease? Rupees 5. What is the initial value before decreasing? It was 25. So 5 out of 25 into 100. So my answer is 20%. Excellent. Superb then. Now here's my next question. The salary of Amar is 20% more than Yaz. So there are two people, Amar, Yaz. So salary of Amar is 20% more than Yaz. Okay. Let's say I'm going to assume Y's salary. If Y's salary is 100, I am assuming this guy's salary is rupees 100. And I know this is 20% more. Can you guys tell me what is Amar's salary? What is Amar's salary, guys? I am assuming Y's salary is 100. And they have given me the statement. Amar's salary is 20% more than Y. Very good. Super. Yes. Can I say it is 120? Correct. Yes. Definitely. Yes. It is 120. Now, what is my actual question here? What's my question here? Let's look at the question. So, by what percentage is the salary of Y less than Amar? So, what is the percentage decrease? That's all. Find out and tell me, guys. What is the percentage decrease? Compared to A, Y is how much percentage less than that? What is the percentage decrease from A to Y? Or else that's it. Very good. Superb. Harivardhini. Correct. So guys, listen here. What is the percentage decrease? 20 is the change divided by initial value 120 into 100. So 1 by 6. So what is 1 by 6, guys? It corresponds to 16.66%. Are you guys clear with this question? Please tell me if you guys are clear with this one. Fast. Very good. Super guys. So listen here. There is one more method which I want you guys to remember. For example, listen carefully. For questions like these, you should remember this concept. If 1 by n increases, 1 by n plus 1 should decrease. If 1 by n increases, 1 by n plus 1 should decrease. Okay. First, they have given me 20% more. Can you guys tell me what is the percentage, fraction equivalent of 20%? How can I write 20% in terms of fractions? 20% in terms of fractions. Yes, do you all remember that percentage to fraction equivalent? 20% corresponds to what fraction? Very good, 1 by 5. So what they have given me is 1 by 5 is more. So how much is it less? So 1 by 5 more, right? So 1 divided by, see, what did I tell you? 1 by n increases means 1 by n plus 1 should decrease. So 1 divided by 5 plus 1, 1 by 6 should decrease. What is 1 by 6? 16.66% decrease. Clear people, this is a shortcut which you are supposed to know. If 1 by n increases, 1 by n plus 1 should decrease to get back the same value. Okay. Superb. Okay, guys. The next concept is successive increase or decrease. Here's my first question. Listen carefully. Let's say I have 100 rupees. Or else the initial value is 100 rupees. I increase it by 20%. I first increase it by 20%. And then I again decrease it by 20%. I decrease it by 20%. Is this 100 again? That's my question. See, the initial value is 100, guys. First, I increase it by 20%. Again, I decrease it by 20%. Will I again get 100? Yes or no? Tell me. Will I again get 100? Yes or no? Very good. Definitely, it will not be 100, guys. It will not be 100. Please understand this. It will not be 100. Okay, for example, listen here. Let's take the same question and let's solve it and see. Okay, first, if 20% increases, can you guys tell me what is the new value here? If 20% increases, what is the new value? 120, yes. Okay, from this, 20% decreases. What is 20% of 120? 20% of 120, 24. Subtract 24 from this. You will end up having only 96. Is that clear, people? You will end up having only 96. Very good, Alami. If X percentage increases and if X percentage decreases, definitely you will not get the same value. That is the reason why we saw the concept of 1 by n increase, 1 by n plus 1 should decrease. For example, what was the increase? 20%. So if 1 by 5, because 20% means 1 by 5, right? If 1 by 5 is increased, if I decrease it by 1 by 6, then I will get the same value. If I decrease it by any other percentage, I will not get the same value. So that is the concept. Now talking about successive increase and decrease. Let's say, for example, I'll give you guys a condition. shop A, shop B. So there are two shops, shop A and shop B, and in each shop you get to see a shirt, and you are finding it interesting. You think, okay, you are thinking of buying that particular T-shirt. You go to first shop and you're like, see, obviously no one likes to buy a T-shirt without a good bargain. Correct. So I go to the first shop and I'll ask him, sir, see, both of you guys sell me the same T-shirt at 100 rupees. Why should I buy it from you? And this guy is like, bro, I'll give you 20% discount. This guy is like, see, I'll give you 20% discount. Okay. And I go to this guy. He's like, sir, I give you 10% discount. Now, from which shop should I buy? Should I buy it from shop A or shop B? Should I buy it from shop A or shop B? In both the shop, it's the same T-shirt. They both initially said 100 rupees, but shop A gave me 20% discount. But shop B gives me only 10% discount. From which shop should I go and buy? Very good, super. I should go and buy from shop A because he gives me more discount, 20% discount. But listen carefully, you know me, right? So I'll be like, so see, brother, you are giving me only 10% discount, but the other guy is giving me 20% discount. If you don't give me any more discount, I'll go and buy it from the first shop. And this guy is like, okay, sir, don't worry, I'll give you 10 more percentage discount. Now tell me, from which shop should I buy? Should I buy from shop A or shop B? Should I buy from shop A or shop B? Now tell me, fast, fast, fast. Now, should I buy it from shop A or shop B? Okay, a few of you guys are telling me it is B, few of you are telling me it's A. Okay, I got to see many B's, but unfortunately, very good. Alameen is right. You should still go with shop A, guys. Let me tell you why. Because listen carefully. After 20% discount, what is the new price? Rupees 80. But here, if first 10% is reduced, rupees 90. It becomes rupees 90. And again, if you give me 10% discount, he's just reducing 9 rupees. He's just reducing 9 rupees, which means rupees 81 is the new price here. So I have to go to this shop and buy because he is giving me just at 80 rupees. He charges 81 rupees now. Is that clear, people? So you should be very, very careful with this successive percentage increase or decrease. For example, listen here. There were 400 students and the strength increases by 20% on the first year. Very good. Yes, superb, Alami. So there are 400 students and the strength increases by 20% on the first year, and then it increases by 25%. It increases by 25% on the second year. What is the overall percentage increase? That's the question. What is the overall percentage increase? Okay, first tell me, guys, if there is a first 20% increase, what is the new value? After 20% increase, what is the new value? 400. If I increase it by 20%, what is the new value, guys? Or else can I say 400 into 120 by 100? Yes, you can do that. Not 10% increase, buddy. You have found a 10%, Alamin. Very good. Very good. Yes, Alamin. Very good, Harivardhani. Super, guys. So it would be 480. And from 480, there should be a 25% increase. Either find out 25% and add it, or else into 125 by 100 will give you the answer. Very good. Superb. Very good, Alamin. Very good, Harivardhini. So after 25% increase, the value would become 600. But my actual question is, what is the overall percentage increase? So what is the overall percentage increase, guys? So if I want to find out percentage increase, what do? What is the actual increase? 200 divided by initial value 400 into 100. So 1 by 2, which means 50 percentage. But instead of finding out these many values and then finding out 50 percentage, there is an actual formula. When there is A percentage change and then there is B percentage change, and if you are asked to find out what is the overall percentage change, the formula is A plus B plus AB by 100. So A is plus 20. See, whenever I used to plus 20 because 20% increase. If it is 20% decrease, use minus 20. That's all. So here it is plus 20. And then B is plus 25 plus 20 into 25 divided by 100. So 5. So 45 plus 5, overall 50% is the increase. Clear, everyone? Are you guys clear? Okay, guys, are you all clear with all the questions that we have seen today? Yes. Excellent, guys. Fine then. Superb. Okay, guys. So take a small break. You guys know when to be back. Okay, guys. Bye then.